I welcome you to this session on machine learning. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about third type of machine learning. In our previous lectures, we discussed about supervised and unsupervised learning algorithm. Now we are going to discuss about reinforcement learning algorithm. This algorithm is different from our previous algorithm. It can be defined as an agent is put in an unknown environment and agent learn to behave in this environment by doing some actions and observing the rewards which is get from those actions. Real life example of reinforcement learning is when we go on some random place. After some time we learn how to live on that place. We explore the environment and understand the things like food, climate, etc. In this example, we are the agents and we are doing some actions to live on the place. This is exactly known as reinforcement learning is. It is used in advanced machine learning, and in this type of machine learning, an agent has to explore by itself without any training. This learning is used in applications such as self-driving cars. Now let's talk about some terminologies and some definitions of reinforcement learning. So first we have something known as agent. An agent is the reinforcement learning algorithm that learns from trials and errors. An agent is the one that take actions. Environment. An environment is basically the world through which the agent moves. Actions. All the possible steps that an agent can take is considered an action. State. Current condition reward by the environment is known as state. Reward. Reward is an instant return from the environment. The aim of the reinforcement learning is about the maximization that an agent can get. Now, one of the most important concept in reinforcement learning is exploration and exploitation trade-off. Now, exploration, like the one name suggests, it is about the exploring and capturing more information about the environment. On the other hand, exploitation's trade-off is defined as using the already known exploited information to heighten your reward. There are two different types of reinforcement learning. First one is Markov's decision process algorithm and second is Q learning algorithm. If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.